This is Craig Stevens, and this is a podcast that I'm using as a makeup class for a systems management course, 4410. Today, the subject will be related to relationships and building relationships. And some of that will be related to communication. So if you want to follow along, you go to www.westbrook.com/building_relationships.htm. Here's what we're going to do. I am going to walk you through, if you look straight down on the website, I'm going to walk you through the PowerPoint slides, and we're going to talk about this and have a little discussion as if you're here. The first slide is actually from Chuck Swindoll. This is something I saw Charles Swindoll give on a radio broadcast, and I wrote it down because it was pretty good. These are the traits of a strong relationship. There are several of them here, but first, you know you have a strong relationship if your relationship is enjoyable. That's a strong relationship. If it's satisfying, you feel like you get something out of it, you satisfy a need for social interaction. If there's loyalty involved, if someone is not loyal to you, you cannot build a strong relationship. There's got to be trust. Trust is in a strong relationship. There's usually a mutual interest. Maybe you're both interested in football, or you're both interested in shopping, or you're both interested in something. There's a genuine concern for the other person. And first look at yourself. Do you have a genuine concern for anybody? That's where you might want to start. You have a desire to please that person. A lot of times we have kids, and we have a desire to please our kids and help them to do things that are fun. There's truthfulness. A mark of a good, strong relationship is truthfulness. And there's praying for each other. Someone goes through trouble, you either pray for or together with that person. There's desire for the best for that person, so if they get ahead of you, it's okay. You want to support them and help them get ahead. Protection. You don't let anybody talk about this person when that person's not around. You protect them from things that will hurt them. You may stand in the way or stand in the gap when there's something going on that could harm that person. Then there's forgiveness. You don't let the petty things in life, or even the powerful things in life, break up this friendship. There's encouragement. When the person feels down, you want to encourage the person. There's a supportiveness. You want to support that person and their ideas. You don't want to break their deals. Generous. You're generous with the person. You're willing to give them things that you don't want, and sometimes you really do want. So I know a lot of people that kind of hoard things. Well, you don't really hoard things. You give things away. There's honor and respect. You try to honor that person, respect that person, and not take honor from them. And then there's love, and that's there's several different layers of love, but this is a strong Christ-like love. Now, these are the traits of a strong relationship, and now let's think about those related to a business environment. Enjoyable. If you can build an enjoyable culture, do it. Satisfying. When you have relationships with other people, it's satisfying. You enjoy it. Loyalty, trust, mutual interest, all of those things you can find in business. A genuine concern for your person right next to you, works right next to you. There's a genuine concern. Desire to please each other, desire to please your subordinates, or desire to please your boss. There's truthfulness. You don't spread rumors. You don't talk falsely about other people. Praying together, that wouldn't be too bad either. Desire the best for people. So if they get ahead of you, promoted ahead of you, you desire the best for them. And if you can put them ahead, it will help you it'll help you in so many different ways to be ahead also. Forgiveness. You don't let the little stupid things get in the way of your work. Encouragement. Encourage others. Supportive, and all those things. So now, that's the first slide. We'll label that slide BR01. BR01. Building Relationships 01. Alright, the next one